Now let us all prom together to the nation. Now I call upon Varshit to lead with the pledge.
Varshit commands to pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians, sir.
my brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country.
and I am
And I am
proud of
proud of
his rich
history
and wide heritage.
and my heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
try to be
try to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give respect to my parents,
I shall give respect to my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
parents, and all elders,
and all elders,
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion
my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity.
and prosperity.
Alone lies
Alone lies
my happiness.
my happiness.
Now here I call upon Vishnu to give some information about success.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by K. Vishnu of Grade and Topaz. Thought. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories to get some ideas to success. Thank
For
you.
your wonderful thought. Now I call upon. Now let us know about the world. Now I call upon Bala and Vinay to say the news.
Happy morning, everyone. I am Bala of Grade 9. Brought you national and international news. National news. Delhi wakes up to season's worst air quality drops to 150 meters. International news. Scientist discovers ancient volcano eruption on moon's far side. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. I am K. Vinay of Grade 9 Topaz. Today brought to you by State News and Sport News. State News. 76.74 lakhs of 1.7 crore households in Telangana caused.
Thank you, Vinay and Bala, to give some information about the world. Now I call upon Arkam to ask some general knowledge questions about the army.
Happy morning, everyone. I am Arkham from Grade 9 Topaz. Today brought you GK question. Question for Grade 6. Every year in Army Day is celebrated on. I repeat again. Every year Army Day is celebrated on. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is Jan 15. Question for Grade 7. What is the motto of the Indian Army? I repeat again. What is the motto of the Indian Army? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is service before self. Question for Grade 8. Where is the Indian Military Academy located?
Thank you, Arkam, for your valuable words and questions. Now I call upon Abdul Nafi to give some information about our motherland.
नमस्कार सभी को। मेरा नाम अब्दुल नाफे, मैं 9वीं कक्षा टोपैज से। मैं अब मेरे मातृभूमि के बारे में बोलने वाला हूँ। भारत दुनिया का मात्र एक ऐसा देश जिसके नाम पर कोई महासागर है, हिंद महासागर। इसके उत्तर में हिमालय के विशाल पर्वत श्रृंखला, भारत के पश्चिम में गज का रण और पूर्व में ऐसे स्थान हैं जहां विश्व की अधिकतर वर्षा होती है। इस राष्ट्र की महानता इन सभी बातों में नहीं है। इस राष्ट्र की महानता है कि यहाँ